Hey guys, this is your house fitness. My name is Min Young, and I'll walk you through the stances between orthodox and southpaw. For orthodox stance, you want to keep your shoulder width apart, like this, left foot out, one step forward, keep your foot diagonal, bend your knees, arms up, lead jab are out, and this is your orthodox stance. For your southpaw stance, it's really the opposite. So shoulder width apart, one right foot step forward, diagonal, arms up, jab out. And for the difference between them, if you're fighting a orthodox to orthodox, southpaw to southpaw, however, if you come across with a person orthodox and a southpaw, you always want to take that ground from going in and try to be in their body, not outside. Other tip is, if you want to verse a southpawler against orthodox, really like step up their foot, change tactics, coming in from the range, not outside of the body. And yeah, those are like the fundamental differences between those two positions. And I hope you guys enjoy. Link in the description and subscribe.